Hello, hello. So I realized that somehow in all the chaos of starting week 2, I didn't do a starting week 2 video. So here is what we did on week 2, going into week 3. Yes, I know it's late. We are starting week 4 on Tuesday, I believe. But here's what we have done, and I hope you enjoy it.
And here's Johnny!
I step up to the mic, gonna make it swing. Feel the rhythm in your bones, let the music sing. Got that poppin' beat, gonna make you move. Dancing on the floor in the swinging groove. Clap your hands now, let the trumpets sound. Swinging to the left and swinging to the right, no room for worries. Just let go and be free. When the swinging pop, come and join the spree. Swinging melodies, taking us high. Feel the rhythm, yeah, it's gonna make us fly. Can you hear the swing? Can you feel the pop? Let's get the party started, yeah, don't you stop. Don't you stop. I step up to the mic, gonna make it swing. Feel the rhythm in your bones, let the music sing. Got that poppin' beat, gonna...
Well, it's quitting time. Can't say I got a ton done in here. I was trying to completely eliminate the closet, but there is a single solitary little screw over here that will not come out. And that is all that is holding this shelf in. But I did get some of the drywall off here, so that's cool. It's not a lot. I'm a little disappointed. And that, my darlings, was week 2. As the time goes on, hopefully my recording ability will get better, but at least you can see what we were doing and kind of how it transpired. And now I leave you to enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye. Eat something wild. Probably not weird insects that you find in drywall, though. Gross.